Morning, Your Honor.
Well,
Morning,
Mr. Cope, I don't know if I should be happy or upset with you, you know? After all the things that we did, every single thing that we did, you're on 2 very serious felony probations for an arson, possession of a controlled substance, and now you've picked up a DWI. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, sir. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir. Okay.
On March 2nd, 2024 in Harris County, Texas, a traffic stop was conducted for a defective rear tail light at around midnight. Officers noticed red, watery, bloodshot eyes, strong odor of alcoholic beverage on the breath, disoriented, swaying stance, heavy, thick speech, and slow to respond. Additionally, officers could smell a strong odor of gasoline coming from the defendant's person.
Wait, what did you just say?
The defendant did not have an ID with him, so officer used a portable AFIS to ID the defendant. Defendant stated he drank 2 to 3 Bud Light beers prior to driving. SFSTs, 6 out of 6, HGNs, 4 out of 8 walking turns, 2 out of 4 one-leg stands. Defendant consented to a breath sample. Blood alcohol content was 0.018.
You mean 0.108?
Says 0.018.
Is that right?
Yes, 3-4 times below.
Stop. Mr. Cope, I don't need your help.
Says point. Make sure this is, and then it says 0.016. Let me just verify the.
You have a blood or breath?
Well, there's more to the PC.
Yeah, so, but let's finish that. So, officers did not believe the defendant's level of intoxication matched the BAC report, so a DRE on scene performed an evaluation on the defendant. The DRE conducted the SFTs again. 6 out of CHGNs, 4 out of 8 walking turns, and 1 out of 4 one-leg stands. DRE advised he also smelled gasoline on the defendant, which he knows can be used as an inhalant. DRE advised that the defendant could be.
He's also on probation for an arson. He's on probation for an arson, and he also had another arson on him, and now you smell gasoline on him? I think that you are an extreme danger to public safety, Mr. Coe. I really, really do. You have a discharging with us, an assault, while on bond for both of those cases. You pick up an aggravated robbery, arson, burglary of habitation, possession of a controlled substance, another arson, all those felonies. You get on probation for 2, they dismiss everything else. Now you pick up a DWI, you take flight. On the first time they gave you another PR bond. No, you got me bent if you think I'm gonna give you a PR bond again with all the stuff that you got. You are an extreme danger to public safety. And now you smell like gasoline? Hell no. He goes with you. Absolutely not. I'm going to give you a lawyer today. Can you find someone, please? All right. Are you Tiffany Martinez? Ms. Martinez, you're charged with 2 counts of cruelty to animals. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer, the lawyer will be appointed to represent you, ma'am. Please don't say anything. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. So, looks like multiple dead animals were reported. ACO Down saw dead rabbits in cages with live rabbits, dead cockatiels, other dead birds, and dogs in cages, all dogs emaciated. ACO saw 9 piles of skull and bones, 12 live rabbits, 3 live dogs seized. Defendant ID'd on scene said that she knew of the dog's condition, but no vet care or food. Defendant claimed to be pregnant and have complications. Defendant said the people on Craigslist were selling animals, so she kept getting them.
What, if any, did they confiscate from her? Did they take all the animals? Do we know?
They took all the animals.
All the animals?
Yeah, that's standard.
Okay. Ms. Martinez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm now ordering you, as a condition of your bond, not to have any care, custody, control of any type of animal. Do you understand? If you have a dog, if you have a cat, a bird, mouse, rabbit, whatever it is, you may not have one, or else I will put you in jail. Do you understand, ma'am? What do you have now?
I don't have anything.
You have no animals. Keep it that way. Do you understand?
But can I say something?
No, do not. There's nothing you need to say at this point. What we'll do is, we'll talk about you having a lawyer, and then you can say everything that you need to say to the lawyer, and then they can do whatever they need to do to speak to the DAs about this case. But my only concern is that I don't want you to have any animals whatsoever. What do you do for a living, man? How many children do you have? You have 6 kids. You get support for the kids.
I'm married, yes.
You're married. What does your husband do?
He owns his own business.
Doing what? How much money does he make a month?
Much. He just got laid off from a shop, and so he started doing his own thing.
Do you mind filing that court order, please, for the animals? Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer, ma'am?
Yes, but the reason that I have the warrants is because I have all the information from the Humane Society. I spoke to the lady yesterday.
Stop. We're not going to talk about the case now. You need a lawyer to represent you. You're facing a year in jail on both of those counts. You're facing up to 2 years.
Yes, the reason the warrants.
I'm not going to, ma'am, you need a lawyer. So, and I'm offering you a free lawyer so that you can take care of this case. I'm telling you now, do not get any animals. Okay? Deputy, do you mind giving her an application, please? I need you to fill out